Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to another video of Nishant's English Hub. Today, I will talk about back and backside. Backside is one word which can cause a lot of problems because it has two different meanings, especially in American and in British English. In British English, backside is an informal usage for a person's buttocks. I repeat, in British English, backside is an informal usage for a person's buttocks. Whereas Americans use it for the rear part of something, for the back of something. Like the British use back, the Americans can use backside as well. Now, I'll give you a sentence. There's something stuck on your backside. That means there's something stuck on your buttocks. Okay, so it's quite hilarious, amusing, embarrassing, whatever you want to term it as. Now, if you go to Britain and you say the hotel is at the back side of the river, it might cause laughter. Okay, but if you go to America and you say the same thing, at the back side of the hotel, there is a garden. It's perfectly okay. It means that at the rear of the garden, at the rear of the hotel, there's a garden. Okay, so just be a little careful when you use back and backside. Usually in India, I've seen the American usage to be more prevalent without people realizing the British usage of it, right? Since we follow British English most of the times, so just be a little careful. If somebody asks you for the address, where is the school? So if you say it is at the back of the Haldwani Furniture Mart, absolutely fine. If you say it is at the back side of the Haldwani Furniture Mart, it's also fine, but it might cause a little embarrassment if the person is not attuned to American English. Then he would think that it is at the buttocks of Haldwani Furniture Mart. That would make it quite embarrassing. All right, so just remember, Americans use backside for rear, the British use back for rear and not backside. They use backside also for rear, but for the rear of a person, right? For the buttocks of a person. So just remember this. Backside means in British English, it means in informal usage, it means the buttocks, right? And for the Americans, backside could be the rear of a building, rear of something, something which is hidden from the view, which is at the back of something. And back, otherwise, one back is this part of the body, right, from your shoulders down to your hips, and back also means rear, right? So just be a little careful about this. So next time if I ask you about the directions, it completely depends upon you what you want to use. But since in India we follow British English, I would prefer that you use back. It's at the back of the river, right? It's at the back of the building, instead of saying it's at the backside. Backside in British English would mean buttocks. I hope this is clear, right? Keep visiting Nishant's English Hub for more such videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.